Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore how to design original characters using ChatGPT's creative tools. Whether you're writing a story, designing a game, or just love creating unique characters, this video will help you bring your ideas to life. And if you ever need extra tips or prompts, be sure to check out the pinned comment below for a handy guide. All right, let's get started. The first and arguably most important thing in character creation is defining the core traits and backstory of your character. So, getting these details right can really bring your character to life. Let's see how ChatGPT can help us with this. So, I'm going to ask ChatGPT down here in the input box, then craft a prompt together. So, let's say I'm going to ask ChatGPT to, let's say, create a character image who is a brave and adventurous female warrior with a mysterious past. And also, you can describe her personality, motivations, and the main conflict she faces, just to be more specific for ChatGPT to generate the character image better. So you can see I added a bit more extra detail here. So watch how easily ChatGPT can draft a compelling character image. Let's see. So now that we've sent the prompt, so let's see what ChatGPT comes up with. So remember, this will give us a foundation to build on. And here we go. Looking great, I must say. So with this, you can start shaping your story or visual design around a character that feels real and compelling. See? Looks good. Now let's visualize your character more. What do they look like? What unique physical features set them apart? So, the physical appearance of a character often tells a story on its own, whether through unique features, clothing, or even their posture. So, let's see how ChatGPT, once again, can help us craft a distinctive look. So, I'm going to ask ChatGPT once again down here in the prompt box down here, then put up together a prompt. Let's see, I could describe down here, like generate the appearance of a tall, slender male elf with some unique attributes. So pay attention to how the details can inspire your artistic vision. See? It's quite detailed right here. So now let's send this off. Now that we've given ChatGPT our prompt, so let's see later on how it envisions this character. So this is crucial for building a clear and memorable image. And here we go. It's really quite fast for the process as I expected. But nonetheless, it came out quite great, I must say. So, with the vivid description that you've entered through your prompt, you now have a detailed visual guide that will bring your character, this one, through this picture, to life. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to get notified whenever we post a new video. And if you could take just 2 seconds to smash that like button, it would help us get traction in the YouTube algorithm. Now that we've defined our characters' traits and visualized their appearance more, it's time to inject some real personality. Accessories and poses aren't just about aesthetics, they're essential tools for telling a story without words. And now, let's see how ChatGPT can help us once again add those final defining touches. I'm going to have it create an image of a pirate captain, focusing on accessories and a dynamic pose that reflects his charisma and adventurous spirit. So here I've crafted a prompt together, just as I stated, and there are more details here with accessories, a bit of a personality here and there, and yeah. Now, watch how these details bring the character to life, just as I sent this prompt over. Here we go. Now that we've sent the prompt, so let's see how it processes what kind of vivid scene ChatGPT paints for us. So these elements will be key in making your character memorable and dynamic. And here we go. See? This looks really good, I must say. Just as I stated and what I crafted through the prompt, through all those details. So yeah, these are the kind of details that can take your character design to the next level. Pretty impressive. And there you have it. With these three elements, you can create original characters that truly stand out.